Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So in this video, we will talk about ClickBank versus JVZoo. Which one is the best? All right, my name is Andy. I'm in the internet marketing since the last 2 years, and on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. So if you want to keep learning about digital marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Two affiliate marketing programs that help affiliate marketers make a good income for their effort. There are JVZoo and ClickBank. Both ClickBank and JVZoo are serious options that help many marketers make a lot of money, and both programs have advantage and disadvantage. However, one of the program is better than the other in most ways. There's not roughly equal numbers of advantage or disadvantage. A marketer should either use the more effective of the two or possibly use a bit of both if they are selling many different products. ClickBank and JVZoo. Which one has the best selection of products? On ClickBank, one can find a wide variety of products for affiliate marketers to promote. Products in all niches are available on ClickBank. On JVZoo, there's less variety because JVZoo focus on selling product related digital marketing only. Since there are a lot of money in selling digital market related product, JVZoo maybe is worth using for some marketers. ClickBank Marketplace, however, an affiliate marketer should use ClickBank first and then JVZoo second. You are better off with variety of different products to choose. Then also ClickBank will pay you to market everything like supplements, health and fitness product, ebooks, or software, music lessons, photography, handbooks, and so on. JVZoo also has different types of products, but there is not as much variety as ClickBank. So do ClickBank and JVZoo only accept quality products? ClickBank has a reputation for only offering products that are reasonably high quality. It will not sell just anything that people want to sell over there. So also it has a reasonably strict vetting process that all the product have to pass. JVZoo is more lenient about what it sells. For these reasons, you may end up losing money to customers that asking for refund if customers maybe they don't like product or the service with JVZoo. So both JVZoo and ClickBank offer products that are relevant to affiliate marketers. Anyone who managed to create a big enough audience for their blog, YouTube channel, or podcast, or social media account is going to make money from their online presence at some point. The products offered by both ClickBank and JVZoo are easy for bloggers and YouTubers to sell. However, ClickBank has an advantage here because ClickBank is more likely to refuse to deal with low quality products. What fees do ClickBank and JVZoo charge? JVZoo always charge 5% of each sale as their share. For example, if you sell for $60 product, JVZoo will take about $3 for their shares, and the vendor will take most of the sales, and the affiliate is just in the middle. And JVZoo is the smaller sharer in this case. But sometimes, the affiliate may also get more commission. It could be up to 75%, for the product. So it means that the affiliate will get more money than the vendor. ClickBank has more complicated pricing structure, results in slightly higher fees in most cases. So in general, lower fees are the single best things that I can say in JVZoo favor. If JVZoo fees are lower, ClickBank is not one-sidedly better. ClickBank is generally more expensive to use. With ClickBank, you might sell product for $100 and earn 50% commission on it. In that case, ClickBank will take 7.5% plus $1 from the initial sales. And then you keep the 50% of the rest, with the vendor also getting the other half of what is left. So I'll give you the example, $100, then ClickBank will take 7.5% from $100, it means $7.5. And then ClickBank also take $1, so $8.5. So the total is gonna be 8.5 minus $100. It's gonna be $91.5. That's gonna be split between you as an affiliate. You receive $45.75, and then the vendors also have the 50%, $45.75. In this way, you will lose more money to ClickBank than JVZoo because of that commission structure. ClickBank fee. You will lose more money by selling cheaper items than more expensive items on ClickBank. This is because ClickBank charge $1 in addition to 7.5% of the sales. Okay, so with the additional $1 fee, you will end up losing more than 20% of your commission if you just make a tiny sale of product. Let's say if you sell $10 product, so $1 fee is already 10%, and from your 50% commission is already almost 20%. So both ClickBank and JVZoo make all their money from taking a portion of each sale. There is no option for you to pay a monthly fee only on either ClickBank or JVZoo, nor any sign-up fees. All of the features on both sites are available to everyone with no extra cost. Is it difficult to sign up for those two sites? While ClickBank is easy enough to sign up for, people have more trouble with JVZoo actually. Signing up for JVZoo is not such a simple and straightforward process. How quickly do you get paid with these platforms? Affiliate can run into problem with delayed payment on both platforms. Money that you make online is not always fast money. Sometimes it can take a lot longer to get paid for work you do online. In the worst case, it can take a few months to get paid, although the payments are sometimes much quicker actually. With JVZoo, some payments are instant. It's up to the vendor whether they want to pay instantly or delay payment by as much as 90 days. If they choose to delay the payments for a long time, which they often do, then there is nothing the affiliate can do about this. But one thing that you can control is the length of the delay by choosing to be an affiliate for that vendors that pay you instantly. Being picky about what vendors you market for is usually not realistic, and you will end up with a lot of long delays on JVZoo. With ClickBank, payments are a lot faster usually. It will only take about 2 weeks to get paid for each sale with ClickBank. The vendor does not decide how long they want to delay the payments. You will be paid once a week with a 2-week delay between sales and receiving your payment. Which side is best of those two options? Well, ClickBank tends to be better as there is a superior selection of products than JVZoo. The excellent range of products make it easier to make money with ClickBank than with JVZoo. ClickBank also makes sure that the product it sells are the high quality products. This way, you can truly believe in the benefit of what you're selling. You will lose less money to customers looking for refunds on ClickBank than you will on JVZoo. ClickBank is also easy to use. JVZoo, on the other hand, can be technical hassle. JVZoo does have one large advantage over ClickBank, which is that they take smaller cut of each sale, so that you can make slightly more money selling the same number of the same products on JVZoo than ClickBank. The difference is little if you are selling more expensive products, but it is more significant if you're selling a cheaper product. You might be trying to sell products that teach people how to make money online. So in that case, JVZoo might be a better idea for you. They have an excellent selection of products related to digital marketing in JVZoo. And if you can sell the same product through either program, then you will make slightly more money with JVZoo. However, there is enough to dislike about JVZoo that usually only slightly lower fees are not enough to make it superior to ClickBank. The long delays before you get paid are frustrating, and it is also harder to learn how to use JVZoo. Unless you are selling very cheap items, do affiliate marketing through ClickBank instead. You're better off with the easier but potentially less profitable of the two websites. Okay friends, so this video I've already tell you about ClickBank versus JVZoo, which one is the best. I hope this video will give you more clarity and you can decide which platform that you want to do for your affiliate marketing business. And if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in the description below. And if you find the information in this video is helpful, please like this video. It will help the algorithm a little bit. And if you have any question, you can also comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please watch my other 2 videos here. This video will show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And you have a lovely day. See you in the next video.